Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Gaming PCs are getting smaller but more powerful every year. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026 that offer strong performance for gaming, office work, and content creation, all in a compact size. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let us start. Number 1. ACEMAGIC Mini PC Gaming Ryzen 7 6800H. The ACEMAGIC Mini PC is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor with speeds up to 4.7 GHz. It comes with 32 GB of RAM, a 1 TB SSD, and Radeon 680M integrated graphics. This mini PC supports triple 4K display output and includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, and 2.5G LAN connectivity. This mini PC delivers strong overall performance for its size. The Radeon 680M graphics can handle popular esports games smoothly and can run modern games at medium settings. Multitasking, video editing, and office work are smooth thanks to the high RAM and fast SSD. Pros: strong Ryzen 7 CPU performance, good integrated graphics for light gaming, triple 4K display support, compact and modern design. This is a great choice for users who want balanced performance for both gaming and productivity in a compact system. Number 2. KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini Gaming PC Intel Core 14450H HX. The KAMRUI Hyper H2 features an Intel Core 14450H HX processor with 10 cores and 16 threads, boosting up to 4.8 GHz. It includes 32 GB RAM, a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and supports triple 4K display output. This mini PC focuses on raw CPU power, making it ideal for heavy multitasking, office work, and professional use. Gaming performance is limited due to integrated graphics, so it is better suited for lighter games or non-gaming workloads. Pros: very powerful CPU performance, fast PCIe 4.0 storage, excellent for business and office use, triple 4K display support. This mini PC is best for users who prioritize CPU performance over gaming power. Number 3. KAMRUI AM21 Ryzen 7 8745HS. The KAMRUI AM21 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor with speeds up to 4.9 GHz. It comes with 32 GB DDR5 5600 MHz RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. It features Radeon 780M graphics, USB 4 support, dual LAN, and quad display output. This is one of the best gaming-focused mini PCs without a dedicated GPU. The Radeon 780M delivers impressive performance for modern games at medium settings, and DDR5 memory improves overall system responsiveness. Pros: excellent integrated graphics performance, DDR5 RAM for faster speeds, USB 4 and quad display support, great balance of gaming and productivity. This is an excellent choice for users who want strong gaming performance in a mini PC without using an external GPU. Number 4. GMKtec K11 Gaming Mini PC Ryzen 9 8945HS. The GMKtec K11 features a Ryzen 9 8945HS processor with boost speeds up to 5.2 GHz. It includes 32 GB DDR5 RAM, a 1 TB SSD, OakLink support, dual 2.5G GE LAN ports, and USB 4 connectivity. This mini PC is designed for high-end users. With OakLink support, it allows connection to an external GPU, turning it into a powerful gaming system. Even without an external GPU, performance is excellent for creative and professional workloads. Pros: extremely powerful Ryzen 9 processor, OakLink support for external GPU, dual 2.5 GE LAN, future-ready connectivity. This is the best option for users who want desktop-level gaming performance in a mini PC form factor. Number 5.
GMKtec M5 Plus Mini PC Ryzen 7 5825U. The GMKtec M5 Plus is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor and comes with 32 GB RAM and a 1 TB SSD. It supports triple 4K display output, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, and dual 2.5G LAN. This mini PC is more focused on everyday use and light gaming. While the CPU is older, it still performs well for office tasks, media consumption, and casual gaming. Pros: affordable price, dual 2.5G LAN, triple 4K display support, low power consumption. This is a solid, budget-friendly mini PC for home and office use with occasional gaming. For maximum performance and future expansion, the GMKtec K11 is the best choice. For the best overall value in gaming, the KAMRUI AM21 stands out. If you want a reliable and affordable option, the GMKtec M5 Plus is a good pick. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026. Each of these systems offers a great balance of performance, size, and features, depending on your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.